Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is a very exciting video because we are doing a unboxing for the subscriber Saturday. Now I have gotten a lot of comments from the last wedding video that we did because that was our budget video that we did for our wedding. And a lot of people has messaged me on Instagram and comments saying that they would love to see more wedding stuff. So we're going to be doing a unboxing for Miss to Mrs. Now this box is roughly about $35 before taxes. And if you are a new engaged person, you can sign up for their subscription, and I think my friend found a code for 50% off the first box, so she only spent like $20 something. Yes, I did not spend this much money on it. My friend wanted me to get it because she was super excited that I was engaged and everything, and this year is our wedding year, so she decided to gift me with this Miss to Mrs. And she said she did it for 6 months or up to October when I get married. So that's super exciting. So we are going to go ahead and unbox this. Now, if you like these kind of videos or any of my budgeting videos or wedding videos to come, please consider subscribing down below and hit that notification so you will be notified every time I do any videos on Saturdays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, any other days that I do film a lot and I do upload a lot. So let's just get right into this Saturday's Subscriber Saturday. So we're going to open it, and then this box says to every bride-to-be. So let's see. So it says tag us on Instagram, and it shows the handle, so that's cute. And then this says let's plan this. So it tells you everything that's in here, but I just did a glance. So you can pause it if you want to see, but let's go ahead and open it and let's see what we got. Super cute. 11 things every maid of honor should do. So that's super fun. We are currently planning the bachelorette trip to Disney, so that's going to be fun. And I actually have 2 maid of honors. Let's see. Then we have wedding hack. So from the date, the venue, bridal gown. That's super fun. All right, let's start with this. So this is a cute little package. And we're just going to undo this. I really like it because it's like velvet and stuff. So let's see what it is. Oh, congratulations to your future Mrs. To the future Mrs. And it's like this 18 karat gold plat. So, and it's diamond. So that is cute. That is really cute. I don't usually wear necklaces, but sometimes I do, just depending on what I wear that day. I might wear it for Valentine's Day, so that's super cute. Let's see how many times I say cute for real. Alright, so next is, oh, here's the lid. So we have a cup. That would be fun. And this is the cup, because I do need a cup for coffee. Because I really need to start making my coffee instead of going out and get coffee every time, because that just adds up. So here's the cup. It's like rose gold. It looks rose gold, but it's more actual gold. And it says, I said yes. So that is cute. And the little rubber things there. So, and it just screws on. So that is super, super cute. I really like the color on that. Let's see. Next is the future Mrs. planner. So that would be fun. I really don't have a planner, so that would be great. It just says top priorities, appointments, calls and emails, notes. So that's just a small little planner that you can write all of your important things. And it's rose gold. I think they know that my colors was rose gold. I don't know if they ask it or not, but who knows. Next, I got these pins. So I did gift these pins to my bridesmaids whenever I was asking them with their bridesmaids proposal box. So it's just a regular pin. It comes, this one's a polka dotted with white, and then this one's just a rose gold, and it has a diamond. So that is really precious, and it actually goes with the theme. Next is the love balloon and tassel kit. So giant rose gold balloons and 6 foot of tassel garland. So that's going to be really fun, and we can use it for my bachelorette trip, or we can use it for a bridal shower. And it just shows the directions and everything. I don't want to take this out of the box because I just don't want to mess it up, but that is super cute. Now, all of these, it does retail over $100, and you're only paying $35. That is before taxes, so you're roughly paying about $40 for a box. But like I said, she did find a 50% off your first order coupon. So, and I believe, I'm not sure if I get a perk or anything, but I will link, if you are newly engaged, I will link my stuff down below, and let's just see if you get a 10% off your first purchase or anything like that. That would be awesome. All right, so next we have the calendar, days until you and me become we. So that is super cute. I'm actually going to put this on one of my floating shelves that I have in my office. And like I said, it is rose gold, and it has like little quotes. So that's fun. Let's just get it out of here, just so I can look at it better and then y'all can see it. So let's see. Yep, so it has the numbers and everything. I don't think this has quotes, but super simple, super cute. And then I think this comes out, so it's, yeah, so this comes out like that, and it just stands up on your desk, and it looks pretty to me. I like it. All right, and then last is, what is this? All the Sparkle Jewelry Wipes. Never seen this. So it says 10 towelettes to clean your jewelry. So that's cute, because I don't always, my ring is from K Jewelers, and I don't always go to K Jewelers to clean my ring. And this has 10 of them, and it says Miss to Mrs. All the Sparkles Jewelry Wipes. So I'm not sure. I wonder what the reviews are on this. But it says, make sure to remove your jewelry while cleaning. Open packet and remove the towelette. Wipe away the dirt from the diamonds, gold, silver, and gemstones. And wash your hands after use. For superior sparkle, clean weekly and always carry one towelette with you. So that's pretty fun. My friend did say that she did get me the 6 or 9 months, which, however, I don't know what she really said, but she did say she did get me some more of the months. So that's going to be super exciting to unbox, and I know y'all have been asking for more wedding videos. I'm going to try to film my venue, so that would be fun for you guys too to watch if you are into it. But I really like this box. My favorite thing that I got here was probably the towelettes and the necklace. I think that is super cute. My least favorite is probably the pins, because I did already get those pins, but you know what, I think it is fine. But yeah, and I love these little hacks. These hacks are so much fun. I'm definitely going to give this to the maid of honor, or just secretly just tell them some of it and just don't say that somebody else told me. But anyways, yes, so that is it for the Miss to Mrs. box. I hope y'all enjoyed this. It was a really fun to unbox this, and thank you to my friend who sent me this. I'm super excited, and I'm super happy that you thought about me, and I'm super excited to actually go and get a new box coming up in the next, I think she said either every month or every 2 months. I'm not sure, but either way, it's going to be fun to unbox these, and let me know if you like these unboxings. And also hit that subscribe button. If you don't like these unboxings, that's fine. I do a lot of other videos, so be sure to subscribe to that. I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.